Hello guys, today we are going to learn bubble sort. So how bubble sort works is it compares the adjacent element and swap the element. If index zeroth element we compare with the index one element. If the index zeroth element is greater than index one's element, we will swap them. So how the time complexity is for bubble sort is n O of n square and and space complexity of the uh, bubble sort is O of 1. So we don't use any array to store the all elements. We just manipulate the existing array. So let's start coding. So bubble sort. So we pass the array ARR, and after that we find the length of the array. So we use len function in Python, length of ARR, and then we use the for loop for I in a range of ARR length range of n minus 1. We don't have to go to the last element uh, because we use another for loop for I in a range of n minus 1 minus I. Uh, Basically, we don't have to go till end element because we are swapping the element to the uh, end of the array. So we just I want to give the example. Uh, if array looks like 12 comma 1 comma 5. So if in first iteration what uh, bubble sort does is we push 12 to the end. We if 12 comes to the end of the uh, array and rest as it is 5 comma 12. So in this array, like uh, we don't have to sort again the 12 because 12 already at his position. S- So after that, if sorry, if j in a range of if error of j, and we have to compare it to j plus 1. So if error of j is greater than error of j plus 1. So after that, if it is true, then we swap the error of j and error of j, comma error of j plus 1 with error of j plus 1, comma error of j. So we have to optimize it. How we can do this is if the no swapping happens in first loop or any other loop, then we have to break the for loop. So for that, we just assign swap is equals to 0. Okay. And in if swap happens, then we assign swap is equals to 1. Okay. We just have to assign inside the first for loop. Okay. And if loop, we have to assign just swap equals to 1 means true. Okay. After first for loop, uh, we assign swap is equal to 0. After second, if the swap happens, then a swap will be assigned to 1. If swap will assign to 1, then if swap swap is equals to, sorry, we have to check whether it's zero. If it is zero, then the array is already sorted. So write break. Okay. And at last return ARR. Okay. We are done with bubble sort. So just assign a random array like any numbers 45, 65, 23, 70, 87, 78, like that. And after that, all the function bubble sort, and pass the array. Uh, in a Jupyter file, we don't have to return a print. It will return it. So the array is sorted. So this is about bubble sort. We optimize the bubble sort. So thank you for